This is the relation of the visceral surface of the spleen. Okay, so this is the spleen. We know that the spleen is situated mainly on the axis of the 10th rib, just like this structure. On the axis of the 10th rib, spleen is mainly situated this side, and with the vertebral column it's make 45-degree angle. Mainly I am trying to say this, the on the 10th ribs the axis of the spleen is situated. Okay, this is the 9th rib, 10th rib, 11th rib. Okay, and these notches are splenic notches. Spleniules, these are the splenic notches. Okay, this end is called as posterior end, and this end is called as anterior end. There are two ends, posterior end, anterior end. These are the splenic notches, and it is situated on the axis of the spleen situated on the 10th rib, just like this. Okay, this is the superior border. There are three border of spleen. This is superior border, this is intermediate border, and this is the inferior border. This is superior border, this is intermediate border, the middle part, and this is the inferior border. Okay, the hilum of the spleen mainly situated between the superior border of the spleen and the intermediate border of the spleen. The hilum of spleen mainly situated between the superior and intermediate border of the spleen. Okay, this pink pink shaded area, this is the renal impression on the spleen. This part, pink shaded area, renal impression, mainly the left kidney and the left suprarenal gland. Okay, this part, this violet color shaded, this part is for the gastric impression. It is the largest impression of the spleen. Okay, gastric impression is basically due to the fundus of the stomach. Fundus of the stomach. This shaded area is for colic impression. Why colic impression? Colic impression is due to the splenic flexure of the colon. Splenic flexure of the colon. And this part, middle part, the triangular shaped part, is pancreatic impression. And why the pancreatic impression? This is the impression due to the tail of the pancreas, basically. This part, this triangular part. So this is the total spleen, two ends, posterior end, anterior end. Okay, anterior end is broad. Okay, then posterior end. Okay, this the 9th rib, 10th rib, 11th rib, and spleen, the axis of the spleen is situated on the 10th rib. This is superior border. There are three borders of the spleen: superior border, inferior border, and the intermediate border. Intermediate means it is present between the superior and inferior. And the hilum of the spleen basically is present between the superior border and the intermediate border of the spleen. Okay, this is the splenic notches or the spleniules. Okay, this pink shaded area is the renal impression due to the left kidney and the left suprarenal gland. This part, this violet shaded area is gastric impression. This is due to the fundus of the stomach, and this triangular part is pancreatic impression due to the presence of the tail of the pancreas, and this is the colic impression, the splenic flexure of the colon. Due to the splenic flexure of the colon, colic impression is present. Okay.